What is up, family? So I am back with another one. Yeah, yesterday, just long story short, I'm gonna jump right into this. Just what it is, just like the title. I made $3,500 in one day, and it was in the course of like just seconds, guys. So it's kind of insane. Total deposit in my checking account, $3,500, guys. With the same tactic that I showed you guys before, and that's using the
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks. No breaks.
Ooh, it's hot out here today. It is hot out here today. I want to turn on the AC. I'm gonna just waste my gas, turn on the AC because it is hot out here today. Hope you guys can hear me. Turn it down. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna make this a quick video. I'm gonna get right to the point. I'm probably sweating and everything. It's super hot out here. So basically, I made $3,500 in one day. Yesterday, I have the date, I have the proof. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. But yeah, like, I don't know what else to say about it. I just that's it. Like, I'm just jumping to the point here. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I'm not feeling good right now. You know, not about the finance, not about the money. Just some things going on right now that there's gonna be some personal vlogs that I'm gonna put out very soon. You guys are gonna see a lot of some crazy stuff that's been happening in my life, guys. You know, people lying, people are snakes, guys. People can be snakes, and I'm just gonna show you some personal stuff. But besides all that, like, everything else is beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Life is beautiful. Yeah, I made $3,500 in a day. I mean, is what it is. That's awesome. If you can do numbers like that every day, you're winning. And with the strategy I use to do that, is the same one. I think it's the last upload or the upload before that one. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna post a link at the end of this video to where you can go watch the video of what I'm actually doing to make that type of money. Yeah, so let's just jump right into the proof. I just came from the bank, guys, right? And as you can see, this is a bank receipt right here. Obviously, I am covering certain things for certain reasons. You know, like my account number, and I don't even know what that letter number thing was here, but yeah, this is just some random stuff written on these sticky notes. I don't even know where I ripped them off from. But yeah, guys, the proof is right here. Here's the date, 5/24/19. Total deposit in my checking account, $3,500, guys. Okay, $3,500 at my bank. And yeah, there you have it, guys. I mean, that's just pure proof. I mean, this is an actual bank receipt, but I just don't want to put out all of my other information, like how much is actually in my account. No, but no, all jokes aside, guys. Yeah, I deposited that money when did I deposit? Yeah, I deposited yesterday. So yeah, was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. Whatever that date says, that was yesterday. I'm losing my mind, guys. So yeah, you know, I'm out here, I'm grinding. I think it's the shoes. You know, I think it's the shoes. I think it's the shoes, guys. I think the new shoes brought some new swag with the color of the car. You know what I'm saying? I think the swag is what's doing it. You know what I mean? But nah, I'm just joking. Yeah, guys, the way I did that, very, very simple, very, very easy. I posted a video about how I did this. It's the same steps I'm using. It's just that business model for right now is very good. It doesn't work as well in the winter, but it works now because, I mean, it's summertime. There's a lot of, you know, like construction going on, businesses, like, you know, a lot of businesses are booming in the summer. There's a lot of summer type businesses that you can make good money like that in a day. So that's what I am doing right now, along with retail arbitrage, still booming. You know, seasonal items, Amazon, selling on Amazon, private label, all that stuff is still booming, guys. I mean, anything you really want to do, as long as you're consistent and you do it. So I will be in Miami in like 2 weeks or so. I'm going to be recording. I'm going to be down there doing a retail arbitrage. Hopefully I can meet with some of my people out there, some of my family, whoever's watching this. You guys in Miami, comment down below, guys. Yeah, you know, it's still going. I mean, there's nothing really else to say about that. I'm not going to make this a super long video. I just wanted to touch up with the fam, show you guys I'm still cranking, I'm still moving. Amazon is still pumping too. Retail arbitrage is still pumping. If you haven't seen my last video, click right here. From old products, I made like over $200 in profit, I think. Over $200 in profit from old products just in my house that I haven't sent in yet. You haven't seen that video, click right here. And if you want to know how I'm pulling in numbers like this on like a daily basis, like it's not every day, but you know, that you get stuff like that done, you know, that you can get even higher numbers than that in one day. And that's, you can do anything. This strategy I'm using for that, you can do with anything. So if you want to learn about that, click the link right here. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I don't want to take too much time. You know, it's peace and love. It is peace and love, guys. Like I said, I got a lot of personal vlogs coming about just things happening in my life, guys, that is just, you know, people are very conniving and people can be evil. You know what I mean? Even if you're sending nothing but love, sending nothing but like peace and love, people can be liars and evil. Like, I don't even want to get into it, but a lot of personal stuff I'm gonna let out to you guys very soon. So, and along with just many more videos, you guys already know. Thanks for everybody that is subscribed to the family, man. You guys are supporting me. You guys are helping me out to like just spread the word, spread the love, man. And like, I appreciate every last one of you guys. It is peace and love. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to get notified. And yeah, it's peace and love, guys. Till next time, peace.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows.